Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this old phone dock from inside the armrest on a BMW 3 Series E92 335i with a genuine tray from BMW. This one is just rubbish, you don't need it anymore. You can use the space. Okay, it's gonna be a bit hard with one hand, but let me just try. So you're gonna squeeze this here. You need usually some of these tools. If you can't do it with this, you can use a screwdriver. Oh, that's it. Okay. Freaking wires there. Okay, so now after that you need to open this cover for the gator. Slowly, so slowly, so don't break anything. And that's it. Let me see what's inside there. There's this one here. This one here. One sec. So we managed to pull it out, this holder. So it's this one and this one. Okay, let me just try to do it with one hand, but it's a bit hard. Jesus. So I managed to open them with my both hands. Is this one here. Okay. And this one here. Can't do it with one hand, man, it's crazy. That's it. So this is it. Not a big deal. Let me see this thing. One sec, I'm gonna pause it a bit so I can open the bag. So this is the tray. Okay, let's see how it looks. It's so nice, so nice. That's all. Let's put these wires back so you won't hear any noise when we're driving. I'm gonna fix them back here. Yeah. And put this holder back on there. So I cut that piece and plug it in there so it can be held properly in this holder, because I don't like silly noises. So now everything back in place. We're gonna put this back and that's it. Nice storage place. Thanks for watching.